Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 13. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or that the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone. And after that, we have to press and hold volume up and power button together. After you see the logo release power button, still holding volume up. Volume up, power, keep holding both the key. Okay, release power, still holding volume up. Okay, we are in recovery menu. From you're gonna choose the wipe data by pressing volume down and accept by power. Now go down, wipe all data, go down and confirm. Data wipe successfully. That's it. Now we're gonna reboot our device, reboot the system, and voila, our phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. Of course, the old files will be delayed from your phone forever. Yep. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.